During his general audience, Pope Francis looked back on the key moments from his visit to Hungary and Slovakia.
Il mio è stato così un pellegrinaggio di preghiera nel cuore d'Europa, cominciato con l'adorazione e concluso con la pietà popolare.
His visit began with Mass at the International Eucharistic Congress, which focused on adoration. It concluded at the Marian Shrine of Shastin. The Pope listed two key elements for a fruitful pilgrimage: praying and being among the people. Pope Francis said that the martyrs, Christians, and people of other religions who gave a witness of faith during the brutal years of Soviet persecution were especially remembered throughout his trip. He said it is important to not forget them.
Uno dei vescovi slovacchi nel salutarmi mi ha detto, già anziano, io ho fatto il conduttore del tram per nascondermi dai comunisti. È bravo questo. Nella dittatura, nella persecuzione, questo vescovo era un conduttore del tram. Poi di nascosto faceva il suo mestiere di vescovo e nessuno lo sapeva. Così è la persecuzione.
Pope Francis said experiences like that cannot and should not be forgotten. He explained that memory is an essential part of prayer.
Non c'è preghiera senza memoria. Cosa vuol dire questo? Che noi quando preghiamo dobbiamo fare memoria della propria vita, della vita del proprio popolo, della vita di tanta gente che ci accompagna.
Speaking about memory, he asked the European Union to return to the idea promoted by its founding fathers in the past.
Durante questo viaggio nel cuore dell'Europa ho pensato spesso ai padri dell'Unione Europea, come l'hanno sognato, no? No, come un'agenzia per distribuire le colonizzazioni ideologiche della moda, no? Come l'hanno sognato loro, no?
A group of Afghani refugees attended the audience. There was also a higher attendance of many other groups, including newlyweds. It was likely thanks to the loosening of pandemic restrictions and an increasing number of vaccinated people.
Would you like to see the Pope up close and personal? Download the Rome Reports app right now on your phone. There are versions available for both iPhone and Android, in Spanish and English. You will receive the best images of Pope Francis every day right to your cell phone, including his daily homily, his trips around the world, his meetings with global leaders, his acts of mercy to the needy. All this in a short and direct format, brief videos of 1 to 2 minutes, so you can watch wherever you are. Open your cell phone now, download the Rome Reports app, and follow Pope Francis everywhere.